name is Vibhu Gogi. I'm the co-founder of Round One, and I'm an MBA graduate from IIT Ghaziabad with over 3.5 years of experience across selling various high-tech products and conceptual products, including Club Mahindra packages. I have with me my co-founder Ashish.
Hi, this is Ashish Mishra. I've also pursued MBA from IIT Ghaziabad. We are batchmates. I carry over more than 3.5 years of work experience across Accenture and startups performing product management and marketing roles.
So this idea of Round One came back in 2016, January 2016, when I was meeting a friend from Bhopal. So I asked him to check out places where we could sit down for some drinks and in Connaught Place. And to my surprise, what I found out was he was unable to select the places because he got so confused of the number of options he had serving pretty much the same menu. So then we tried to change the search criteria and search on discounts, and what we found was that the discounts were offered on a very limited number of drinks, and that too very basic. So when I came back, I tried to search and I researched on why these restaurants were not offering discounts on premium drinks. And after discussing a lot of restaurants, I could narrow it down to three reasons. Number one was there was a very high license cost that the restaurant had to pay. Number two, there was a very good amount of regulation by government and very low profit margins on foreign liquor. And number three, the high marketing costs that these restaurants incurred. So when I discussed the same with Ashish, he concurred with my thought, and then we started to think about how we could reduce the marketing cost for these restaurants because the other two reasons were not in our hand. But then we came up with this idea of offering a gain share model for both the restaurant and the customer, wherein the customer would get 15 free drinks in a month, one drink maximum in a day, for a subscription of rupees 600 per month. And for the restaurant, unlike the marketing charges they used to pay with other discovery platforms, we would not charge anything to the restaurant. Rather, the restaurant only offers a free drink to my customer only when the customer reaches the restaurant doorstep. So our entire model sustainability is based on certain levers. Number one is that we offer a creation for say a customized drink to our customers, which means that the customer has an option to self-create his own drink. Number two, we are planning to expand to tier 2 cities, and we understand that most of our business would come from tier 1 cities, but a lot of these customers do visit these tier 2 cities for a lot of official purposes. So this gives them an option. Number three, we would move into bar and restaurant consulting, wherein we would offer, based on the data, we offer consulting services to restaurant, which would include combo menu creation, dynamic pricing, and things like that. We would also move into restaurant management system, which would basically comprise of the entire back-end operations to front-end CRM solution for the restaurant. We would also extend our services, same kind of a subscription model to the food and dessert items as well.
Now we are actually looking to raise an amount of 60 lakh rupees, which is to be consumed over a period of 1 year, basically next 12 months. 44% of the amount is going to be eaten up by the marketing department. 22% is going to be consumed in product development and maintenance. 17% is going to be consumed in infrastructure. 9% in teams and salaries, and rest 8% is the operational cost. We believe that we should be funded for multiple reasons. The first one is that we have a unique idea first where to enter the market with great potential, because we have the market potential of reaching 15 million individuals in India. Rest aside the potential overseas expansion, then we have the potential to offer different type of menus, like instead of one drink we can provide one dessert or one appetizer or one food item, so that we can expand our audience base. Then we can scale across industries as well. We can get into the hotel industry and hospitality industry as well. The second reason is low cash burn, because the best channel for this type of offering is the word of mouth channel, which eventually reduces your marketing cost. Then we have the backing of one of the very renowned industry expert who is providing reviews of each and every drink. So that instead of having user reviews, we also have expert reviews. And third is last is multiple revenue sources, because now the overall value proposition, instead of being backed by one revenue source, is actually backed by multiple revenue sources, diminishing the chances of failure. Thanks a lot.